The first lesson that the army teaches you is don't sweat the small stuff. Life is much bigger. There'll be much bigger challenges that you will meet in life. And if you start sweating the small stuff, you didn't get your biscuits, you didn't get your parking, you didn't do this, you didn't do that, or you didn't get what you felt was due to you, a certain amount of your energy on that day is taken away for completely inconsequential and useless things. Leaders are supposed to produce leaders better than them. That is the job of leaders. So at every occasion, every time in your life, whenever you achieve something, remember that you have achieved that on the shoulders of leaders, well-wishers, parents, friends who have stood and allowed you to stand on their shoulders and reach the heights. And that is a responsibility that each one of us owes to our subordinates, our peers, and our juniors. And many times you will fail in something in life, and that failure in something in life is designed to bring out what is your real strength. So each time you face, and you are students, and if you face, you didn't get the percentage you wanted, didn't get the college you wanted to go to, didn't get the choice of subject you wanted to study, remember that life often chooses the subject you are supposed to be good at. You don't choose occupations. Many times occupations choose you. Many times I have a lot of juniors who come into office, they put on their tie just when they're entering. As soon as they go out, they take out their tie, they put it inside, they come in unshaven, they come in unprepared. The day life sends an opportunity to you, you can't be shaving them. The day an important person watches you in an airport, if you're not wearing your tie, he knows that you actually fake it only when you come to him. That is why in life, one of the fundamental lessons the army teaches you is when you wake and get out of your office or get out of your home, from that moment onwards, you are expecting combat. One of the first signs that is written as you move out from your units, the logo over there very clearly says, Aaj Mukabla Hoga. Even if every day has been a peaceful day, today can be that one day when you will have to get into combat. And at that point of time, you can't say, Saab mere ko hatiyar do. It will not work. Each time you are defeated, you fail to achieve an objective, you're not able to get what you want. Remember, a little bit of bad luck, a little bit of bad bread is there in everybody's life. If that bad luck goes away in college, it goes away when the stakes are low, it goes away when nothing earth-shattering is going to happen, then it's good that you have used up your bad luck.